Hello, mathematicians. Today we're working on Lesson 5-11. We are learning how to solve real-world problem situations. And remember, when we add, another name for a partner is an addend. Okay, so if you have your student workbook, please open up to page 261. Let's read exercise 1. Casey helps gather fruit. How many pieces of fruit does Casey gather? We're trying to identify the total number of pieces that Casey collected. Let's count the lemons first. 1, 2. Casey has 2 lemons. I'm writing a 2 into the box next to the lemon. Let's count the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 oranges. I'm writing a 7 into the box next to the oranges. And let's count the grapefruits. 1, 2, 3, 3 grapefruits. I'm writing the 3 into the box next to the grapefruits. How many numbers do we have to add together? If you said 3 partners, you're right. 1, 2, 3 partners, or 3 addends. Even though there are 4 rows of fruit, we have 3 types of fruit, or 3 partners. Of the addends, do we have any 10 partners, or 2 numbers that easily make a 10? If you said 7 plus 3, you're right. 7 plus 3 is 10. Let's write 10 into the box, just like that. Bring down the 2. 2 plus 10 equals 12. So, Casey gathered 12 pieces of fruit. At this point, we are moving on to page 262. If you would like, please pause the video and continue working on page 261. Let's work on exercise 4. I'm going to read the problem twice. For the first time, please listen. For the second time, please help me annotate the problem. Some carrots are in a garden. Each bunny eats 1 carrot. Now there are 9 carrots. How many carrots were in the garden to start? Now let's annotate the problem. Some carrots are in a garden. Each bunny eats 1 carrot. Now there are 9 carrots. How many carrots were in the garden to start? Let's first count how many bunnies are in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bunnies. And we know that each bunny ate 1 carrot based on the problem. So that means 5 carrots were eaten. So now we only have 9 left over. What can we do to figure out how many carrots we started with? That's right, we can add 9 plus 5. Now we can count on from 9 to add the 5. Let's try that. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or we can also make a 10. If we have the 9 written out, we draw 5 dots for the 5 partner. 9 plus 1 equals 10. How many dots are left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14. How can we use subtraction to show the story? So we write in 14, the number that was in the garden to start. The bunnies ate 5 carrots. 14 minus 5, we know equals 9. And now we have 9 carrots left over. Now we are going to find unknown addends. The word unknown has the beginning part un. Un means not. So we are finding things that are not known. In this problem, the unknowns are the 2 triangles. So we're seeing a triangle plus 1 equals 13. Well, the triangles are both equal the same thing. That's why they're the same shape. Let's think of our doubles to help us solve. We know that 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And 6 plus 6 equals 12. What number combinations, what doubles would fit into the place of the two triangles to equal 13 once it's added to the 1? Does 1 plus 1 work? 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus another 1 is 3, so that doesn't work. How about 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5. That doesn't work. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7, not 13, so that doesn't work either. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. That's not 13. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. We're getting closer, but not quite. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Which triangle is equal to 6? Now, what if our unknown was represented by the square? The square plus 1 equals 13. How can we solve for the unknown? Well, we can take the 13, the total, and subtract by 1. You might also think of our math mountains. If 13 is the total, and we know one of the partners is 1, we just have to solve for the missing partner. 13 minus 1 is 12. The square is equal to 12 because 12 plus 1 equals 13. Sometimes we have to determine if a problem is correct or incorrect, if it is true or false. We have the statement that says these equations have the same total. Let's take a look. 70 plus 10 equals 80, and 90 minus 10 equals 80. Both equations have 80 as the total. So, this statement is true. Please finish up today's lesson by completing Student Workbook page 261 and page 262. Thank you.